Manicure Mondays with LiqueTheNailGeek. And we're going to be doing this manicure right here. We're already starting off with prep nails. I'm going to go ahead and put the dehydrator on there. And then the bond. I also put directions at the bottom as well as tips. Then we're going to start with the base coat. You're going to apply a thin layer to each nail, to the entire nail bed. Make sure you're capping the free edge, which is the end of the nail. And then we're going to cure for 30 seconds in the LED light. Now I'm going to do a gel overlay as well. And this ensures a long-lasting manicure, also the strengthening of a natural nail. It also helps with any type of imperfections in the natural nails. Not all nails are technically even surfaces. And you're going to apply that to the entire nail bed. Capping the free edge and then curing in an LED light for 30 seconds. And now we're starting with our nail color, and that's this beautiful pink. Now we're doing a chrome manicure today with some nail art, some stamping nail art. I'm using pink as the base because I'm creating a rose gold. So continue to stay tuned for that look. And I chose a hot pink, not too hot. It's more like a mixture between pale pink and hot pink. And that's to really get that rose gold blend, and you'll see that in a minute. But you're going to apply that to the nail bed, making sure you're capping the free edge and cure in the light. And this is a no white top coat. You're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Again, do not get any of this gel polish on your skin. It can cause lifting and allergic reactions. The no white top coat is better for chrome polishes. It helps it really smooth out that powder. As you'll see, I'm using a makeup sponge. I'm just smoothing that in. Making sure I get that on the entire nail. I'm only picking up a little bit at a time because it is a powder and you don't want to sit there and over chrome the nail. That does happen, guys. To where the nail just comes out literally chrome and you don't really get to see that color up underneath come through. You just want to keep smoothing that down. You're going to do that for all of the nails. Alright, then you're going to apply the no white top coat. You're going to apply that to the entire nail bed, including the free edge. Make sure you're not getting any on your skin. And then you're going to cure that for 60 seconds in an LED light. This will encapsulate the chrome powder. And my client wanted roses on her ring finger as an accent. So I'm going to go ahead and use my stamper. Now I have used my stamper before. I'll link that video in the eye above. Make sure you definitely check that out. And if you're still watching by now and you haven't subscribed, what you waiting on? Go over to the bottom right, click my logo, Leak the Nail Geek, and subscribe. After I stamp, I'm going to go ahead and top coat that, cure for 30 seconds in the LED light, and then apply cuticle oil to all of the nails. And there's the finished manicure. Thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to scroll over to the bottom right, click my logo, subscribe to my channel, and let's hit the notification button so you don't miss a video. Follow me on all social media, all things Leak the Nail Geek or at LiqueTheNailGeek. Check out my website, LiqueTheNailGeek.com. Thumbs up this video, comment below, and until next time, bye.